What's up, y'all? Rob Picks here. This will be my entry video to Eagle Lock Pickings 100 subscriber giveaway. First off, I want to congratulate Eagle on this momentous occasion, and also thank you for putting this giveaway together. I'm sure there'll be plenty others to come. So today I'm going to be picking this Multi-Lock Junior purple belt. Got 45 seconds to do it. And yeah, let's see if we can get it done. So here we go. There we go. Nice and open. Thank you for watching, and see y'all on the next one.